Hey everybody, I recently saw that they were selling this Oreo roll cake, so I thought I'd take a minute and walk you through the experience of visiting a McCafe in Japan. Welcome to my McDonald's Monday Minute. Out of the 2,700 plus McDonald's in Japan, only about 100 of them have a McCafe. They provide a Starbucks-like experience with a variety of sweets and handmade drinks, copying various aspects from chalkboard easels down to hand-drawn menu items. The offerings are a bit more expensive than the standard McDonald's fare, but they're hoping to cater to a cafe crowd not interested in fast food. I ordered the Oreo roll cake and a cafe latte, both costing about $4 each. The presentation was good. I thought the 3 decorative caramel dipping areas were a nice touch. The roll cake itself was very nice. Occasionally I get disappointed when heading in to try something at McDonald's, but luckily it's pretty hard to mess up Oreo cookies, sponge cake, and whipped cream. So this gets 2 thumbs up. On the way out I also grabbed a chocolate macaroon and a chocolate raspberry cupcake. The macaroon was decent, but a bit expensive at 160 yen for what amounts to 1 bite. I thought the cupcake was decent, but a little bit dry, so not my top choice. But I thought it was worth a visit. So if you come across a McDonald's cafe, maybe you should give it a try. Thanks for watching. This has been Inside Japan.